Ava, do you want a piece of that? Thank you.
What's inside of it?
I think it's something. You can have a piece too, Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you can have a piece.
Oh, thanks, sweetie.
I have that. I have a whole bunch of chocolate. Let's open it. I can't get the capsule open. The capsule. It's a little toy car. The toy car.
That's pretty cool. Put it together.
You put it together for me, Mommy.
I bet Daddy would be able to do it better than me. What's this?
Oh no.
Does it go on top of it?
Yeah.
What's the directions say?
Hello, Toget. Hello, Toget.
You don't need more chocolate.
Look it.
What's it look like?
It looks like.
Oh, it opens up.
I love the
It's supposed to
chocolate.
go on the inside.
Ava, where'd you get that surprise egg from?
Grandpa.
Mommy and Grandpa brought it for you.
That sure was nice.
What should you say to him?
Thank you.
I know you do, honey.
But you can't.
Why? Because you're eating it all? Can you share at least one more piece with her, please? Well, a bigger piece than that, buddy. Look.
Ava,
This opens. And that flies in. Look, Ava.
pretty cool. Say thank you for my first surprise egg.
Thank you.
For
For surprise egg.
your first surprise
My
egg.
first surprise egg.